HyperX is now part of HP's gaming division, bringing together HP's enterprise support infrastructure with HyperX's gaming expertise. Understanding the warranty essentials will help you protect your gaming investment. There are 4 essential requirements for a successful warranty claim. First, keep your proof of purchase. The original receipt is crucial documentation. Second, register your product on the HP/HyperX support portal. This is highly recommended and makes the claim process much smoother. Third, locate the serial number on your product or packaging. This unique identifier is essential for warranty verification. Finally, document any defects with photos or detailed descriptions. Clear documentation helps support teams understand and resolve your issue quickly. Here's an example of the type of purchase documentation you should keep. Any official receipt or invoice will serve as proof of purchase. Now let's look at the warranty coverage periods for different HyperX products. Most gaming peripherals come with a standard 2-year warranty. Headsets, keyboards, and mice all have a 2-year warranty period from the date of purchase. Legacy Kingston memory products have a lifetime warranty, reflecting the high quality and durability of these components. Here are examples of actual HyperX products. The serial number is typically found on the product itself or on the original packaging, as shown on this HyperX Cloud Core headset box. Understanding these warranty essentials, keeping your receipt, registering your product, knowing your serial number, and documenting any issues will ensure you can take full advantage of HyperX's warranty protection for your gaming gear. The warranty registration process begins at the HyperX support website. You'll need to create an account and provide specific product information to complete registration. Next, you'll register your specific product by entering the serial number and purchase details. The serial number is typically found on the product label or original packaging. Finally, upload your proof of purchase. This is typically your receipt or invoice showing the purchase date and retailer information. This documentation is essential for warranty validation. Once registration is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email. Now let's look at the warranty claim process when you need to report a defective product. When you need to file a warranty claim, the process begins with contacting HyperX support. You can reach them through multiple channels, including online chat, phone support, or their ticket system. Support will guide you through troubleshooting steps to determine if the issue can be resolved without returning the product. This saves time and often fixes common problems immediately. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, you'll submit a formal warranty claim. The support team will verify your warranty status and determine if repair, replacement, or refund is appropriate. If your claim is approved, you'll receive an RMA number and return instructions. This Return Merchandise Authorization Number is essential for tracking your return shipment. The entire process typically takes 5 to 7 business days for standard claims. Keep your RMA number and tracking information until your replacement arrives or refund is processed.